And there we go. Wintertime, nice little fat largemouth. Sitting in about 14 feet of water. So basically, during the winter months, everything's vertical. I'll go ahead and let this guy go. Everything's vertical, so you want to get baits that are like Senko. Like I'm using for here, I'm using a weighted Senko, and I'm barely moving it off the bottom. Senko is probably one of my favorite baits. I'm not gonna lie, it's caught me a lot of fish. But you could probably also use jigs, vertical jigs, something small. You want to give them a small presentation. So let's see if we can find some more. Spider. There we go. Number 2 on the day. See how big this one is. Alright, buddy, you'll be alright. Calm down. $17.25. 17.25. Not bad. Alright, we're gonna let this guy, let's get this guy in the water. There he goes. Spot! Big spot. Big spot. Come here, come here, come here. Red splashing. You'll be alright. Big spot. Big spotted bass. Big spotted bass. Okay. $16.25 on spot. Look at the belly on that thing. Nice spotted bass. Alright, let's put him back. Let's see if we can get a hold. 2.7 on a spot. Alright. Sorry guys, the camera died on that one, but managed to catch a 2.7 spotted bass, and we just let him go. Caught him on the same Senko that I caught the last fish on. Black and blue gold fleck with an 1/8 ounce Gamakatsu Wacky Rig head. So seems to be the Wacky Rig on points. Seems to be catching the fish. I got one more point before I go into the truck. I got 20 minutes, so we'll see if we can get it on. Oh, they're all on that point. Right there. Got another one. That's a big one. He's deep. That's a good size one, guys. I ain't gonna lie, that's a good one. Look at that toad. My goodness. They're all sitting on that point, just like I told you they was, sitting right on the point. Look at that guy. Massive, massive, massive largemouth. 20 1/4. Alright, scales are cleared out. Let's check this baby out. I'm guessing around 5. Uh, 315, only 315. That can't be right. Let's try this again. Clear them out. Alright, everything's cleared. Try this one more time. $3.13. I guess it's only 3-pounder, 4-pounder. So, all right, got ourselves another 4-pounder. $3.13, 20 1/4. This is a good day. Right here off this point. We're gonna let him go. There he goes. So today, got a 16 1/4, 17 1/4, 17 and a 20 1/4. 4 fish. Getting near the end of the day, and I got to get to the boat ramp. It's because this place closes at 5. So Hollis, if you're watching, you need to extend the wintertime hours. So thanks guys for watching, and have a good one. Tight lines.